Hi everyone, my name's Angela Whitten and I'm your public health nutritionalist. I'm here to welcome you to Armor Against Obesity workshop. I also welcome the Elmore family who has helped participate in our workshop earlier today. This technology working here. And there we go. Families need to take a stand against obesity. We are here to help you do just that. In this workshop, we will be discussing the differences between healthy and unhealthy food choices and why that matters as we choose foods for our families. One step at a time, we begin to eliminate unhealthy foods from our pantries as we climb to healthier health standards within our families. It seems hard now, but by taking one step at a time, it will lead you down the right path without overwhelming your time or resources. Let's take a minute. Let's list some of the favorite foods that you have or share with your family. The Elmore family has previously compiled their list for us. These may be some of your favorite foods as well. Healthy favorite foods, they mentioned. Some of their favorites were strawberries and beans. But apples and strawberries, green beans, broccoli are all good choices. Next, we have, if I can move this just right, let's go back. There you go. Unhealthy food choices. We'll get there. Unhealthy food choices. Their favorites was Gobstoppers and the hot fudge pudding cake. But my main concern that I want you to focus on is this middle category. We'll call it questionable category. These foods can either be healthy or unhealthy depending on the ingredients. For example, we can use lunch meats. Lunch meat can be full of questionable preservatives, but there are some that have simple ingredients without harmful additives. Be familiar with food labels. Another example could be fruit juice. Sounds healthy, right? But fruit juices, even reconstituted 100% juice, can have higher concentrations of sugar. It is best to use only water for hydration or 100% unprocessed fruit juice. Milk is also a good choice. These decisions do matter for families. Healthy food builds immunity against illness, keeps our family strong, active, and happy. Looks delicious, doesn't it? One piece of melt-in-your-mouth chocolate cake. Ignore the worm. Believe it or not, it probably wouldn't eat the cake anyway. Remember that guilty feeling you have after eating it? It makes you almost feel depressed, right? Now, a different scenario. There we go. A juicy, mouth-watering Fuji apple, crunchy, full of nutrients for your body. It's a positive change toward good eating habits, and you feel light and ready for action, unlike that piece of cake that makes you feel heavy and ready for a nap. Don't know why this doesn't center. One mindful decision over another begins to create new healthy habits. Whether choosing to go up the stairs, overtaking the elevator, or declining a donut for a piece of fruit, your strength will increase, your mind will become clear, and your energy will carry you forward into the next day. By changing your food choices today, families can make a difference tomorrow. Your health matters to the next generation, and the next, and the next. Families can stop the cycle of obesity now by starting the 12-step program designed by families for families. Families have the power to change the world. And there you go, prevent or reverse chronic diseases. Don't believe me? Just give it a try. Give it a chance. If your children are raised with healthy eating habits, they will carry it forward. Also, I want you to visit us at armoragainstobesity.org and experience the first week of the program. It begins with the effort to recognize and give up highly processed foods like white sugar, white flour, packaged snacks. It begins to teach you how to use healthier food substitutions and to understand food labels. Join with us and the Elmore family. Feel better, be happier, be in control of your health. In closing, we would like to view the Families Against Obesity public announcement, which is this next screen. I'm going to start it, see if it'll run for us. There we go. Volume up. There we go. Before you leave us, though, I want to thank you, and I look forward to working with you at armoragainstobesity.org. I want you to notice the download in the notes of this workshop. It contains the first 3 weeks of the program, so you can get an idea of what it will be like and take time to review it. I want you to enjoy and have a wonderful week. Angela out.